How to make money with affiliate marketing from Pinterest in 2025. Doing affiliate marketing on Pinterest is 100% free. Start making money and passive income for long term. In my opinion, Pinterest is the only place where you can promote your product or affiliate link and getting commission or sales 100% free. Here you can see this is my account and I have been working on this account for last 40 days. If I go to my analytics, as you can see, my impression was 424,000 views. We get 28,000 plus of engagement. We get over 8.55 Ks of outbound click, 4,000 type of, and total audience is 344,000 and total engagement is 15,000. We are getting the growth in last 40 days, which is insane. So if I just go through my graph, as you can see, in 20th October, our growth was only 154. But as you can see, day after day, it's growing rapidly. In November 23, we are getting 22,000 views in just one single day. So every day it's going rapidly. So what the steps I have followed here, how I am getting that much growth in my account in just 30-40 days. So if I just go scroll a little down, there are my top pin. As you can see, all are organic. You see, there's no paid advertising I have made. Organically, I get 117,000, and here you can see 35,000 view, 29,000, 28, 20. Every pins are getting so many views. If we just click on the toppest pin, so here you can see we have gained 107,000 view. So as you can see, the growth is insane, and you can also gain that much of growth in a month and start making money from Pinterest. Now the question is how you can do this and how you can gain that much of growth. I'm gonna break down the whole thing in 5 different steps, what I have followed and grow my Pinterest like this. I'm not gonna make this video longer explaining how to create a Pinterest account, how to convert to business. You can easily find out any tutorial in YouTube. So I'm gonna just land into the specific point what you should follow and what the exactly thing you should do. So let's start it. And number 1 is set up your Pinterest profile perfectly with high quality profile picture, informative cover photo, well optimized bio description with keywords. Add your business headline or top keyword on the name title. And number 2 is Pinterest trends. Well, here in Pinterest trends is the coolest feature to grow your Pinterest account. And if you are willing to grow your Pinterest account and you are not using Pinterest trends, and you're never gonna get that much of growth from Pinterest, you definitely need to use Pinterest trends. So let me go through you how you can use it. You just simply need to go in your profile and simply go here, and from there you just need to go in Pinterest trend. After going in the Pinterest trend, it will look like something like this. So as I have set up in my location as United States, and if you scroll down a little bit, here you can see some trends. And here you can see some top performing boards. Here you can see the Christmas decor idea. We know there's Christmas is knocking the door already. So that's why Christmas is performing so high now. Outfit ideas also performing well. Winter is coming, so that's why winter also performing well. Here we find out top keyword which is performing right now in trend. There is a weekly, monthly and yearly percentage and you can go with. As you can see, Thanksgiving recipes, so it's going upward. So there are so many keywords you can find out. Let's go with the Christmas tree ideas. So we just click on it. Right now we are trying to find out few more keywords. So here you can see Christmas tree ideas. If we just scroll down, as you can see, it's performing so well. And as you can see, the trends, it's growing up and this way from 3 July to this way, I think 31st March, the trend will grow. Here we have the suggestion. There are few more keywords. There are so many ideas of keywords. So here you can see Christmas home decor ideas. So this one of a keyword we can use. So if we search this keyword in Pinterest trends, will give us few more keywords related to it. And as you can see, there are classic Christmas. There are so many keywords they have given us already, and there are the audience demographic, which is very important. Like let's say if your audience is women's, so definitely you're gonna choose the keyword which is searches by women. So as you can see, women are searching these keywords 87%, which is insane, right? This way you can use Pinterest trends and the proper keyword, which keyword you should apply in your pin, and your pin gonna get that much view. And number 3 is Pinterest keywords. Now I'm gonna walk you through how you can find the advanced keywords for your pins and you can use it to your description or anywhere. We just simply need to go here and search, let's say Christmas lighting. This is our product, and from there we will click all pin. So here in the all pin, we already searched Christmas lighting and this is the keyword, and Pinterest already suggests us our top keyword. Here you can see Christmas lighting ideas for outside. You can use this also. Christmas lighting ideas, outdoor, indoor, and outlift. So these are the keyword we can use. So let's say we are using for outdoor. So let's say we used this keyword. Now you are thinking how you can make this keyword more advanced. So as you can see, this is the keyword, right? And here we have some advanced suggestion Pinterest is giving us already. So it's a warm white, solar white. So these are the color we can add. Let's say warm white. So Christmas light, warm light. So we can add warm white. If we just click here, so warm white type of decor we will add here. Let's say warm white, right? So here we can add Christmas warm white lighting outdoor. We will add warm. This is our keyword, which is the advanced keyword. If we are selling lighting for Christmas and we are using these types of keyword, I can 100% ensure you that your content or your pin gonna get viral, your pin gonna get so much view. I'm 100% confident about it. And this way you can find the top keyword. You just need to spend some time research on the search and find out the specific keyword, what people are looking for, what people are clicking. If you use these types of keyword in your pin, in your description, in your pin title, I can 100% assure you that your content or pin gonna get viral. And number 4 is make Pinterest board perfectly. You have to organize your board according to every single category you have on your product list, on your store, or in your website. According to your product category, you have to make a specific board for it. And you have to make sure your specific board is SEO optimized with well-researched description and title and proper hashtag also. And make sure you are putting the exact content relevant to the board. I mean the content you are making, the pin you are making, you have to put the pin into the specific board which is the relevant one. And number 5 and most important thing is how to make pin properly. Here in my screen you can see my profile, and you just need to simply click into the 3 arrows and click on the create pin. So I have already saved everything here so that I can save the time. At first you have to choose the content 1000 pixel to 1500 pixel. From there you can see our title, which is SEO optimized. We try to add as much keyword as we can. So as you can see, this one is a keyword, this one is a keyword, and this one, the whole thing is a keyword. If we take a look at the description, we try to fulfill with keyword the best description. Here we try to find for hashtags, the top hashtags which is performing perfectly. And in the link we have tried to put our link. This is our website and this is our article, and this is the link. We just copied it and we just paste it here. So we need this content, that when people will see this content, people will directly go to the website, and if they purchased from here, we will get a commission. In here there is a board. We choose the exact board. Let's say this is our homemade recipe, and on the homemade is a quick and easy recipe. Specific to that, we try to upload in the exact board. And in the tag we try to add 3, 4, 5 tag here. So you just need to search here, let's say healthy. As you can see, just try a healthy dinner or a healthy breakfast. And in the tag product, you can add your product also from there. So you just need to click here and use in link, and you just need to add your link here. So you can add your product also and just publish it. This way you can make your awesome pin. And make sure you are continuously uploading pin 3 to 5 times a day. Make sure you are uploading the content in the morning time, let's say 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. so that you can get the whole days of time so that your pin can perform the best. If you follow these 5 steps regularly, I can give you 100% guarantee that you're gonna get that much of view, and you're gonna definitely start making money from Pinterest like me. If you think this video helped you, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you.